Jamie Lynn Spears is pregnant with baby number 2. Brittany's little sister posted an adorable picture on Instagram of her holding hands with husband Jamie Watson and her daughter Maddie, saying, "Looks like we're starting off 2018 with another big milestone. So happy to announce that Maddie is finally going to be a big sister." In the photo, Spears is sporting quite a large baby bump, although it's not publicly known how far along she is. The 26-year-old went on to admit that 2017 has been a rough year. Last February, 9-year-old Maddie was critically injured when she accidentally drove her all-terrain vehicle into a pond on the family's Louisiana property. Thankfully, Maddie made a full recovery. While those challenges are behind Jamie Lynn, a new baby and new year bring new challenges that she seems completely ready to take on. What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.